নমস্কাৰ বন্ধুসকল, জ্ঞান কেন্দ্ৰৰ প্ৰথমটো শৈক্ষিক ভিডিঅ'লৈ আপোনালোকক স্বাগতম। আজি আমি আলোচনা কৰিবলৈ লোৱা বিষয়টো হৈছে অসম বুৰঞ্জী আৰু আমি এই অধ্যায়ত আহোম ৰাজত্বকালৰ সমস্যাৰ বিষয়ে কিছু আলোচনা কৰিম আৰু তাৰ লগতে আমি 40টা মাল্টিপল চইচ কুৱেশ্যনছ আৰু তাৰ এনসাৰসমূহ আমি আলোচনা কৰিম। কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 1, Who among the following was known as an economist and social reformer during the Ahom rule? A. Lasit Barfukan, B. Badan Barfukan, C. Purnananda Burhagohai, D. Momai Tamuli Borborua. And the answer is D. Momai Tamuli Borborua. Question number 2. In 1794, the capital of Ahom Kingdom was shifted from Rangpur to A. Jorhat, B. Saraideo, C. Gargaon, D. Sonare. And the answer is A. Jorhat. Question number 3. Which of the following Ahom king signed the Treaty of Majuli with Koch King Naranarayan? A. Pramatta Singha, B. Rudra Singha, C. Sukafa, D. Sukhampa. And the answer is D. Sukhampa. Number 4. In which year did the Koch king Naranarayan invade the Ahom kingdom? A. 1562, B. 1665, C. 1711, D. 1555. And the answer is A. 1562. Question number 5. The rule of Ahom kingdom ended with the invasion of A. Portuguese, B. Burmese, C. British, D. Mughals. And the answer is B. Burmese. Question number 6. The Yandabu Treaty was signed in 1826 between A. East India Company and the Ahom King, B. East India Company and the Burmese, C. British Crown and the Ahom King, D. British Crown and the Burmese. And the answer is B. East India Company and the Burmese. Question number 7. The last independent Ahom king was A. Chandrakanta Singha, B. Kamaleshwar Singha, C. Jogeshwar Singha, D. Purandar Singha. And the answer is D. Purandar Singha. The next question. Sodiakhua Guhai was A. Jamidar, B. King, C. Frontier officer, D. Naval commander. And the answer is C. Frontier officer. And the next question, question number 9. The king nicknamed as Bhagaraja was A. Shutyamfa, B. Shuttamala, C. Surampha, D. Shunitfa. And the answer is C. Surampha. Question number 10. Rangghar was first constructed during the reign of A. Rudra Singha, B. Rajeshwar Singha, C. Pramatta Singha, D. Shiva Singha. And the answer is A. Rudra Singha. And the next question, question number 11. The first Ahom monarchs to assume the Hindu title Sarganarayan was A. Shiva Singha, B. Pratap Singha, C. Joydhwaj Singha, and D. Suhungmuhu. And the answer is D. Suhungmuhu. Another question, question number 12. Ahom Mughal conflict ended with which battle? A. Battle of Saraighat, B. Battle of Itakuli, C. Battle of Bhorali, B. None of these. And the answer is B. Battle of Itakuli. The next question, question number 13. What was the last capital of Ahom kingdom? A. Rangpur, B. Gargaon, C. Jorhat, D. Saraideo. And the answer is B. Gargaon. Question number 14. What was the Moamoria rebellion? A. Conflict between Ahoms and Chutias. B. Conflict between Kachari and Chutias. C. Conflict between Ahoms and Mughals. D. Conflict between Ahoms and Morans. And the answer is D. Conflict between Ahoms and Morans. Question number 15. Which Ahom king planned to be invade Bengal? Sorry, question to আকৌ এবাৰ কৰি দিছো. Which Ahom king planned to invade Bengal? A. Rudra Singha. B. Shiva Singha. C. Sukafa. D. None of this. And the answer is A. Rudra Singha. Question number 16. What is Treaty of Asurar Ali? A. Peace treaty between Burmese and Ahoms. B. Boundary treaty between Ahoms and Chutias. C. Peace treaty between Ahoms and Mughals. D. None of this. And the answer is C. Peace treaty between Ahoms and Mughals. Question number 17. Who created the post of Barfukan and Barbarua in Ahom Kingdom? A. Pratap Singha. B. Rudra Singha. C. Shiva Singha. D. Sukafa. And the answer is A. Pratap Singha. Question number 18. Which Ahom king was known as Dihinga Raja? A. Sukafa. B. Suhungmung. C. Susheupa. D. Sudangpha. And the answer is B. Suhungmung. Question number 19. Which of the following Ahom king dug the Jaisagar tank in memory of his mother Jaimati? A. Shiva Singha. B. Pratap Singha. C. Gadapani. D. Rudra Singha. And the answer is D. Rudra Singha. Question number 20. Who was the first Barfukan of Ahom Kingdom? A. Badan Chandra Barfukan. B. Lasit Barfukan. C. Langi Panisia Barfukan. D. Jauti Barfukan. And the answer is C. Langi Panisia Barfukan. Question number 21. The rule of Ahom Kingdom ended with the invasion of A. Burmese. B. Bengal. C. British. D. Portuguese. And the answer is A. Burmese. Question number 22. Ahoms ruled Assam for how many years? A. 200. B. 600. C. 100. D. 350. And the answer is B. 600 years. Question number 23. Who was the last ruler of Ahom Kingdom? A. Joydha Singha. B. Sudingpha. C. Purandar Singha. D. Jugesar Singha. And the answer is C. Purandar Singha. Question number 24. Pike system was first introduced by A. Lasit Barfukan. B. Momai Tamuli Barbarua. C. Sukafa. D. Purandar Singha. And the answer is B. Momai Tamuli Barbarua. 25. Sodiakwa Gohai was A. Jamidar. B. King. C. Frontier officer. D. Naval commander. And the answer is C. Frontier officer. Question number 26. Rangar was rebuilt with brick during the reign of A. Rudra Singha. B. Rajeshwar Singha. C. Pramatta Singha. D. Shiva Singha. And the answer is C. Pramatta Singha. Question number 27. The Ahom monarchs to assume the Hindu title Sarganarayan was A. Shiva Singha. B. Pratap Singha. C. Joydha Singha. D. Suhum. And the answer is D. Suhum. Question number 28. The Tudor Ali was constructed during the reign of A. Rudra Rudra Singha, B. Gadadhar Singha, C. Pramatta Singha, D. Shiva Singha. And the answer is B. Gadadhar Singha. Question number 29. The first phase of Moamoria Rebellion was started in A. 1749, B. 1759, C. 1769, D. 1779. And the answer is C. 1769. Question number 30. During which Ahom king reign the Saraighat battle was ended with decisive win over Mughals? A. Chakradhar Singha, B. Udayaditya Singha, C. Jaidhar Singha, and D. Pratap Singha. And the answer is B. Udayaditya Singha. Question number 31. Which Sargodeo shifted the capital of Ahom kingdom from Gargaon to Rangpur? A. Gadadhar Singha, B. Sukrangpha, C. Shiva Singha, D. Rudra Singha. And the answer is D. Rudra Singha. Question number 32. Which Ahom queen built the Shivodal in Shivasagar? A. Mulagabharu, B. Ambika Kuwari, C. Fulesari, D. Kuranganayani. And the answer is C. Fulesari. Question number 33. The Namdang stone bridge was constructed during the reign of Ahom king. A. Lakshmi Singha, B. Shiva Singha, C. Gadadhar Singha, and D. Rudra Singha. And the answer is D. Rudra Singha. Question number 34. The Mughal general who took possession of the Ahom capital Gargaon in 1662. A. Murshid Quail Khan, B. Mir Jumla, C. Islam Khan, D. Shashista Khan. And the answer is B. Mir Jumla. Question number 35. The Itakuli run was fought against Mughal during the reign of A. Shiva Singha, B. Gadadhar Singha, C. Rudra Singha, D. Pramatta Singha. And the answer is B. Gadadhar Singha. Question number 36. Kamata Princess Rajani was offered to which Ahom king as a peace treaty? A. Sudangpha, B. Sukhampa, C. Taukhamthi, D. Suhungmo. And the answer is B. Sukhampa. Question number 37. Who married Kuranganayani? A. Rajeshwar Singha, B. Jaidhar Singha, C. Shiva Singha, D. Pratap Singha. And the answer is A. Rajeshwar Singha. Question number 38. What was the shape of coins in Ahom kingdom? A. Octagonal, B. Circular, C. Hexagonal, D. Square. And the answer is A. Octagonal. Question number 39. The Treaty of Ghilazari Ghat Tipam was signed by Ahom with Mughal commander A. Mir Jumla, B. Abu Bakr, C. Ram Singha, D. Abu Siddiq. And the answer is A. Mir Jumla. The last question, question number 40. Barfukans were from the following community: A. Kasaris, B. Sutias, C. Ahom, and D. Mach. And the answer is B. Sutias. বন্ধুসকল, ইতিমধ্যে আমাৰ প্ৰথমটো খণ্ড ইমানতে সমাপ্ত হৈছে। আশা কৰোঁ আপোনালোকে ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল পালে। যদি কিবা ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি দেখে তেতিয়াহ'লে আপোনালোকে আমাৰ কমেণ্ট ছেকশ্যনত জনাব আৰু আমাৰ জ্ঞান কেন্দ্ৰ চেনেলটো লাইক, কমেণ্ট, শ্বেয়াৰ আৰু ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব।